Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Hychika Cordless Angle Grinder 18 volts. Better tools for better life. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. The angle grinder can be widely used for metal grinding, rust removal, metal cutting, rebar cutting, tile grinding, wood cutting and wood grinding. You name it. So many jobs to do. And the tool on a black-green color. I like it. Soft elements, nice grip, I like that. Let's see one by one what we have in the box. 3 discs, 2 cutting discs, 115 mm the diameter, and the thickness 1.2 millimeter, and another one 115 mm and 6 mm the thickness. The battery, of course, 18 volt 4 ampere hours battery, lithium ion. Press the button and check the battery capacity. The release button. The adjustable disc guard for your safety with release lever. The non-slip auxiliary handle. 3 position to install here for better control of the grinder. Left, right, or at the top. Very soft, I like that. Good grip. The key in the handle for storage. Nice. We have in the manual the charger. 1.5 meters the length of the cable. 2 LED indicators with an output 20 volt 2 amp. And charge the battery. Later I will do that. Now the tool. The slide switch, press and it locks. Continues working. Press unlock. So easy. Remove the lock nut for the disc and install one of the cutting discs. This way. Use the key. Rotate the disc. Press the spindle lock and it will lock the disc. That was all. So easy. But don't use the angle grinder without the guard. So let's install in the guard. And it locks. And you can adjust it. Let's install the larger 6 mm the thickness and install that way. You can see this gap, it goes down. Lock. Take the key. Tight, and that was all. So we need the battery. Beautiful angle grinder. Powerful motor with 8500 RPM. With one hand you can turn it on. In the event of a shutdown, the angle grinder will automatically shut down to protect the grinding tool and your safety, and must be restarted. So let's charge the battery, fully charge it, and then move on for testing. Plug in. Let me show you and the indicators. Red light is charging. When it goes to green, it will fully charge. Is a versatile power tool designed for cutting, grinding and polishing tasks, offering portability without sacrificing performance. Perfect for metal workers doing fabrication, construction crews on job sites, DIYers tackling home renovations, automotive enthusiasts for cutting or grinding. Compatibility with standard 115mm discs and the inclusion for several accessories make it ready to use. Its overload protection and ergonomic design provide a reliable and user-friendly experience for DIY enthusiasts and home users. Pro tip: use diamond blades wet when cutting stone to reduce dust. When you need cutting and grinding power without being tethered to an outlet, this cordless angle grinder delivers the performance you need. And that wraps up our review of the Hychika 18V cordless angle grinder. With its 8500 RPM brassed motor, 3-position adjustable handle and included 4Ah fast charging battery, it offers a versatile solution for various grinding and cutting tasks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and tips. Have you tried it? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Where to get it? Check deals in description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.